Hi children, good morning to everyone. This is SRK Math Concepts. It's before class we discussed about trigonometric ratios of 30 degrees, 45 degrees and 60 degrees. In this class we will discuss about 0 degrees and 90 degrees. Okay, these all proofs are not that much important, just for idea purpose only, just to listen. Okay ma? 0 degrees. See, 0 degrees we are discussing original triangle ABC. This angle something is there, 30 degrees, 40 degrees, something is there. If angle is decreased, then this line, see AC line came to here, this is original line. Imagine like this. Again this A still more decreased. Means what? Original line this one at present here still decreased. Original this one angle, see angle decreasing, like that angle completely reaches to 0. Here suppose 40 degrees, 30, 20, 10, 0. So if A is smaller and smaller, A means this angle slowly decreasing, angle A slowly decreasing, then see before BC this much is there. When A decreased, BC came this length. Reduce the original length this one. Reduce it here. Original, reduce it here. Original, reduce it here. Like that angle when became to 0, see two lines appearing small lines. When this angle A became 0, this C also coinciding at B. Now C slowly came to B. If A is smaller and smaller, BC length decreases. BC length decreases. If A is 0 degrees, then AC, see this is AC and AB. AC and AB are equal. See, now this is C from here to here it came to B position. So what to understand? A is 0 degrees, AC and AB are equal. Now from this original triangle, see sin A is equal to perpendicular by hypotenuse. Perpendicular what? BC, hypotenuse AC. So sin A is equal to BC by AC. If A decreases to 0, last one, this one slowly changes I kept here. If A is 0 degrees, means what? Sin 0 degrees is equal to BC length. BC length what is there? BC length 0 by hypotenuse AC. 0 by anything is equal to 0. Now cos A, from here see cos means what? AB by hypotenuse AC. Base by hypotenuse. Cos means what? Base by hypotenuse. So base AB, hypotenuse AC. What is it here? AC and AB are equal. That's why cos 0 degrees is equal to AB by AB. See, AC and AB both equal. You can take instead of AB AC also, AC AB also. So AB by AB is equal to 1. Tan A is equal to perpendicular by base BC by AB. BC by AB. A becomes 0, then tan 0 degrees is equal to BC length. BC length what? Not there. BC length 0 by AB is equal to 0. So sin 0 degrees is equal to 0, cos 0 degrees is equal to 1, tan 0 degrees is equal to 0. From sin, cosecant means what? Reciprocal of sin. Here we got 0 value. Imagine 0 by 1. Reciprocal what? 1 by 0. 1 by 0 is equal to infinity. Secant 0. Secant 0 means what? Reciprocal of cos 0. Cos 0 1. Reciprocal. Imagine 1 by 1. Reciprocal also 1 by 1 only. Tan 0 is equal to 0. Cot 0 is equal to 1 by tan 0. 1 by 0 is equal to infinity. Children, remember, in numerator 0 is there, total answer 0. In denominator 0 is there, total answer infinity. Infinity means what? Undefined. Same. When A is some angle, BC like this. A decreased. That's why original line this one came to here and decreased. Then BC from here to here it came. when slowly A decreasing, C coming downside, like that last position, angle nothing is there, then this line completely fallen here and B and C both coincide. BC length what means 0. Like that you have to understand. Just the answers only remember, proofs no need to remember or practice. Okay ma? So sin 0 is equal to 0 degrees, cos 0 is equal to 1, tan 0 is equal to 0, cosecant 0 is equal to infinity, secant 0 is equal to 1, cot 0 is equal to infinity. Like that, 90 degrees explained after. These total values have to summarize and will prepare a table. That table you have to prepare, then only problem is easy for it. Okay? Once note down. The last value 90 degrees. Take original triangle ABC. Observe that from here you are watching this figure. From here you should make some angle. When you are moving towards the diagram, this pillar or pole, see here, angle increased. When it came to here, still increased. When it came to here, still increased. Like that, you are coming towards the BC side, angle will increase. Okay. Now, here some angle is there. Now, angle increased means what? See, angle increased. This is original angle increased. Original angle increased. Angle completely here. See ABC, 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 both same. So you are coming towards the BC side, angle automatically will increase. Increase it to 90, then A and B are coincide. Now here angle same. Suppose here 30, more, we came to 90, that's why it came to vertical line like. Now, sin A, perpendicular BC, hypotenuse AC. From this, sin 90 degrees is equal to, see, BC. BC means what? This one. AC also same only, AC and BC same, that's why BC is equal to 1. See, here diagram like this, sin means perpendicular by hypotenuse. When it became 90 degrees A, she came to here, that time BC by AC should write AC and BC are same. That's why that answer also BC take. BC by BC is equal to 1. So sin 90 is equal to what? 1. Cos A, base AB, hypotenuse AC. When it became 90 degrees, cos 90 is equal to AB, see, AB by A. A becomes to 90. Then AC where? Cos A is equal to BC here. Cos means what? Base AB by hypotenuse AC. Then becomes cos 90 degrees. Cos 90. So here base became, see, A to B distance what? Here what written? AB. A here, B also here only. Then AB length what? Here to here length is there. Here to here length means what? See, here to here some length is there. Here to here distance what means? 0 by AC. 0 by AC is equal to what? 0. But see, here length is there. AB. Here length what? Nothing is there. 2 becomes close. That's why 0 by AC is equal to 0. Tan A, from here see, tan perpendicular BC by base AB. So tan 90 degrees is equal to BC. BC means BC only, right? AB, AB length what? 0. In fraction, denominator 0 is there. Its value undefined, infinity take. Now, cosecant 90, 1 by sin 90, 1 by 1 is equal to 1. Secant 90, 1 by cos 90, 1 by 0, infinity. Cot 90, 1 by tan 90. See, tan 90 infinity. 1 by infinity, that is equal to, see, infinity means what? 0 by BC right here. So 1 by 0 by BC, that means 1 into BC by no need, 1 by infinity means what? 0. Okay. See children, and A approaching to BC side, automatically angle will increase. How much increase up to here? 90 degrees. That's why this AB length, see, here this much is there. Reduced, came to 0. So, originally sine means what? Perpendicular by hypotenuse. From that only, A becomes 90, BC same only, this A and B coincide, that's why AC also, BC also same, that's why value change like that. Okay ma, observe carefully. Now, these are all about 0 degrees, 30 degrees, 45, 60, 90. All proofs completed. Now, these all have to tabulate in a smallest way or simple way. Okay, 1 minute observe. Shema, remember 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. 0, 1, 3, 4 writing after every number divide with 1, no, 4, 4, 4, 4, 4. Square root take. First what? 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 numbers write. Every number divide with 4. Later square roots take. Simplify 0 by something 0. Root 1 1 by root 4 2. 2 cancel here 1 by 2. Root 1 1. Root 2. Root 3 by root 4 means what? 2. 4 by 4 1 under root also 1. Now 0 degrees, 30 degrees, 45 degrees, 60 degrees, 90 degrees. Here sine, cos, tan, cosecant, secant, cot. So this is copy here. 0, 1 by 2, 1 by root 2, root 3 by 2, 1. Before what I gave proofs that all, you are summarizing and preparing a table. That table also simple method like this, remember, copy here. For cos purpose, here onwards direction change. That last one right here, this next one right here, this one same position, this is right here, this is right here. Now tan. Tan means, so this is first one, this is second, third one. Tan you want means 1 by 2 take. 1 by 2 means what? First one. 0 by 1 is equal to 0. 1 by 2 by root 3 by 2. 1 by 2 by like this. 1 by 2 by root 3 by 2. 2 cancel 1 by root 3. This one. 1 by root 2 by 1 by root 2. Total cancel 1 you write. Here see. Root 3 by 2 by 1 by 2. 2 cancel root 3 take. This 1 by 0 means what? Infinity. So children, how to remember first line means 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 take. Every number divide with 4. Square roots take. Simplified answers are this one that you copy for sine. For cos purpose, just from reverse order you write. Cos completed. Tan purpose, sine by cos. See, first one by, this is first row, by second row. So 0 by 1, 0. This number by this number, 1 by root 3. This by this, 1. This by this, 2 cancel, root 3 take. 1 by 0 means infinity. For cosecant, fourth one. Fifth one. Sixth one. So cosecant 1 means for sine reciprocal take. Sine 0, 0 by 1. Reciprocal 1 by 0 means what? Undefined infinity. This one 1 by 2 is there. 2. 1 by root 2. Reciprocal root 2. Root 3 by 2. Reciprocal 2 by root 3. 1 means what? 1 by 1. Answer is 1. Secant. It's 1. Root 3 by 2 is there. 2 by root 3. 1 by root 2 is there. Reciprocal. Root 2. Here. Cos. 1 by 2 reciprocal. 2. 0 by 1 is there. 1 by 0 means what? Undefined. Cot. 0 by 1. 1 by 0. Infinity. 1 by root 3. Reciprocal. Root 3. 1 by 1. 1. Root 3 by 1 imagine. 1 by root 3. 1 by 0 reciprocal. 0 by 1 is equal to 0. So these all values have to practice very thoroughly. Then only problems will become very easy. Now observe that sine 0, 0, sine 91. So sine 0, 0, sine 91. When became cos 0, like this take, cos 0, 1, cos 90, 0. Middle values, tan sine 45, 1 by root 2, cos 45, 1 by root. These two values are same. Like that, any technique you apply and then only practice, easily you can get. Okay. Now we'll discuss problems about on these trigonometric values. Okay. Observe. Before problems, this Pandit Bole, Prasad Bolo, how we written one side and by saying that copy like that only, table I'll write here. 0, 30, 45, 60, 90. 0, 1 by 2, 1 by root 2, root 3 by 2, 1. 1, root 3 by 2, 1 by root 2, 1 by 2, 0, 0, 1 by root 3, 1, root 3, infinity, sine, cos, tan, sine, cos, tan. Using this, we will do one problem. Example 5. Page number 185. See what given here? A triangle ABC, right angle at B. Triangle ABC, right angle at B. Means angle B is equal to 90 degrees. Also, AB is equal to 5. Angle ACB is equal to 30 degrees. Then find the lengths of BC, comma AC, question mark. Children, what given for us? Triangle ABC, angle B is equal to 90 degrees given, AB is equal to 5 given, ACB is equal to 30 degrees. They ask us to find the lengths of two sides. Before problem C, lengths of two sides given, they ask us to find the other trigonometric ratios. So difference you have to observe. Take a right angle triangle. Right angle at B. About C they are saying. So C take here, then remaining letter A. 30 degrees. AB is equal to what given? 5. Now, AC how much? BC how much? First we will discuss about this AC. This one what? Hypotenuse, base, perpendicular. So, we are calculating AC value. This thing you want, this one given. These two related function, what is there? Perpendicular, hypotenuse. Perpendicular hypotenuse means what? See, Pandit Bole Prasad Hara Bolo. We want hypotenuse. Given perpendicular. Perpendicular hypotenuse means what? Sine. So sine 30 I am writing. Sine 30 degrees is equal to perpendicular AB, hypotenuse AC. Sine 30. See from table, sine 30 means what? 1 by 2. So 1 by 2 is equal to AB value 5 given, AC value don't know. Cross multiplication into AC into 1. AC is equal to 2 into 5, 10. So like that, one known thing take, one unknown thing take. These two related trigonometric ratio, what is there? Observe, perpendicular hypotenuse means sine, that's why sine 38. Now, about BC. BC means what? Base. Base you want, perpendicular you know. Perpendicular base related trigonometric ratio. Perpendicular base related ratio tan. That's why now I am taking tan 30 degrees is equal to perpendicular AB by base BC. AB 5 given, BC don't know. Tan 30, same tan 30, 1 by root 3. 1 by root 3 is equal to 5 by BC. From this, BC is equal to 5 root 3. Like that you have to calculate. Otherwise, already hypotenuse we got here 10. That 10 take here. Now, Pythagoras theorem apply. Without doing this one. AC square is equal to AB square plus BC square. AC square 10 square 100. AB square 5 square 25 plus BC square. So 25 transfer this side. 75 is equal to BC square. BC is equal to root 75 means root 25 root 3 root 25 5 root 3. So one value getting after you can apply Pythagoras theorem or like this. Okay, both same answer will get. Okay children, try to practice table. Okay, then which thing you want immediately getting means then only problems easy for you. Okay ma, thank you for watching.